How to fix TikTok's no network connection. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimul from the Solution Guide. In this guide video, I will show you how you can fix if TikTok says no internet connection. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, what you want to do is, let's say that you open up TikTok, you try to log into your account and just do something and it simply says no network connection. So when TikTok says no network connection, it simply means that you don't have network connection. So what I would recommend you to do is to simply verify whether or not your network connection is actually working just fine. Try to use other social media apps such as Instagram, Facebook, try to watch reels and so on, and see if that fixes the issue, because most of the times that could definitely be one of the main reasons why TikTok says no internet connection. If it doesn't, however, you can also simply try to launch your mobile data over here, turn off Wi-Fi and then turn on mobile data, and now you could try to reopen TikTok and see if that also fixes the issue. If not, then there are also other things which you can do. So what I want you to do is, if this doesn't help either, just go ahead and open up your device's respective Play Stores or App Stores, and once you've done that, just go to the search bar and then type in TikTok. Once you type in TikTok, if you see an update button next to the TikTok application, I want you to simply go ahead and update the TikTok app to the latest version. What this does is that it's going to fix most of the issues and bugs which you were facing on the previous version. So if you have internet connection, you will basically be able to update it. So make sure you have updated the TikTok application. After that as well, if it doesn't solve, then simply long press on the TikTok home icon over here and then tap on this eye icon. Once you tap on the eye button, go to storage and go to clear cache and then clear the data as well. Once you clear the data, you might need to reopen TikTok and re-log into your account, and most likely one of these would definitely solve the problem. If it did help solve the issue, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.